Hello and welcome back to a very special episode of Project Giveaway. In this series, we're helping you guys, fellow car enthusiasts, get on the road with awesome cars that we love. Today, we're going to give away a car that's very close to my heart. No, it is not a Mazda MX-5, but it is an awesome E46 3 Series BMW, a car that we featured a hell of a lot on the channel. The E46 3 Series was available between 1997 and 2006 and represented a huge leap forward in dynamics, comfort, safety and styling compared to the third generation E36. The E46 was available as a coupe, convertible, saloon, touring and hatchback, and featured engines ranging from 4-pot 316s with 103 horsepower all the way to the Mega M3 that used the legendary S54 B32 straight 6 with up to 355 horsepower in the M3 CSL. And having owned an E36 M3 and having driven an E46 M3, believe me when I say that the E46 is 100% the one to go for. Now before we start, we wouldn't be able to create this video and give away this awesome car without the help from our sponsors. So this week, I want to give a massive thank you to our sponsors, Carly. Carly is a perfect app for anyone who wants to diagnose and erase fault codes on their car and unlock awesome hidden features, which is exactly what we're going to do today on this E46 convertible. But first, let's take a look at it. The moment you start this engine up, there's no horrible knocks, there's no noises, the Vanos even sounds happy. And yeah, the suspension's good, the wheels aren't too curved, interior is great. What more can you want? And in the summer as well. How long we got left until summer? Like 6 or 7 or 8 months or so. This is going to be an awesome car. Just driving this E46 brings back a lot of good memories. The timeless design makes this one of a very few cars that still looks fresh today, despite being penned 25 years ago by none other than Chris Bangle. The touring models are also super practical, fast and fun, and if you get lucky like I did, they can be super affordable to buy. If you get the 3-litre diesel E46, they can also be transformed into super capable and reliable track weapons. I'm really excited to give this car away to one of you guys. It's gonna be a glorious day. But enough of me hyping this car up. Let's take this to a man who knows these cars extremely well. It is, of course, Car Throttle's Mechanical Stig. This is the 325 convertible. Hopefully I've bought a good one. I want you to have a look over it and tell me that I have. Right. Let's have a look at the motor. There's no oil leaks. Yay!
Yeah, that's
good
a
job.
first for one of your cars.
Thank you very much. Good. Belts look like they've been changed fairly recently.
Another thing that does go on these is this expansion tank. From all the hot-cold cycles, there's a fatigue on the plastic and they just explode. Mine exploded in traffic the one day and covered everything in antifreeze. The gauges are fine. If we look here, the drop links have been replaced.
The springs on the rear of these cars, they crack a lot.
What happens is that the spring tapers near the bottom and generally cracks sort of anywhere within the bottom of the spring over here, and that causes your suspension to just drop back into the arch. So you can generally see them on the road when it's sitting a bit wonk. I mean, they look perfectly fine. There's no cracking that I can see on it, and it's still got the little pigtail.
And looking at the rear disc, this is probably past its sell-by date, isn't it? I mean, it's not the happiest. In the near future, I would probably recommend getting those discs changed, getting the pads changed.
There's no bubbling on this side, however. You can just see it there, and a little bit under here. Maybe a stone came up, chipped it. Just gonna have a quick look at the air filter to see how grubby it is.
That's all right, that, isn't it?
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's shiny, look at that.
So those bushes at the front, they look fairly new. The dampers, they look very clean. We're not saying that they are new, but they are very clean.
There's no misting, so it's all good.
Everything here, it's not scratched up, it's not been smashed in, so it's quite clearly been looked after very well.
Yeah. So and equally, all 4 tyres are Pirellis. A lot of the time I go with looking at the tyres, because if you find some dirty, cheap tyre on there, generally know it's not really being looked after that well.
Yeah. Now you guys are probably sitting there thinking, whoa, hold the phone a second. Are you really going to give us this awesome car free of charge? Well, no. I actually lied to you a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to give you an even more awesome car by unlocking a whole bunch of wicked features that this has got using the Carly app. So if we plug in the Carly adapter into our OBD2 port and open the specific BMW Carly app, we have quite a few options. From looking into if the mileage has been tampered with, to also doing a full scan to see if we can uncover any hidden faults. Now that we've got our report, we can also have a quick scroll through and see that everything is looking good on the car. This can also be sent to an email address of your choice as a PDF if you want to look back at it at a later date for reference, or send it to a mechanic for a quote. Okay, so now let's check out all the awesome features that you can unlock. Go to customize your car. It also makes backups, so when you have coded your car, you're then able to go back to your factory settings, which is awesome. And let's have a look at locking comfort function, shall we? So anti-theft alarm system, we obviously want that on, we'll keep that on. Audible confirmation, so we'll have a little bloop bloop. Let's have a look and see what else we can do with the lights. If you live in Europe, you won't have these US side markers on, obviously. Let's put that on, just to be different, to be a little bit cool. So the turn signals, we'll have those on US spec as well. Daytime running lights. Always a good feature to have, especially in the winter months, so we'll put those on. We've got here one-touch turn signal function, and that's really cool as well. So we're going to have that on 3 times. It'll make the car look and feel more modern than it actually is, which is very cool. This is really interesting, hazard lights or heads-up lights. So in the UK, when you push your hazard light button, it just goes tick, 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 tick. So if we want to be a little bit different and again stand out a little bit more, click on double and then it'll be like which is far more visible and very, very cool as well. Let us code now, and then our car will be far more modern, far more awesome than it was this morning. Okay. Features that we can enable vary from vehicle to vehicle, but on this BMW Z4 we can also unlock a digital speedometer and set the roof to operate while driving in case it starts raining, along with customizing a 3-flash indicator into a 5-flash variant. As for our, or should I say your, 325i Cabriolet, it handles wonderfully, feels solid and looks $1 million. Now for the most important part, how you can get your hands on this newly coded BMW. Well, firstly, it's free. Secondly, you must be able to pick the car up as we're unable to deliver this to you. And finally, you must leave a comment on the video explaining why you should win this car and share this video on your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube or Instagram. You only need to pick one. You'll also have to send us a screenshot or the link to the post if you are chosen to win the car. We'll choose a winner completely at random and pin a comment to this video in 7 days to announce the winner. Best of luck and a massive thanks to our sponsor this week, Carly, for supporting Project Giveaway. If you enjoyed this episode, then make sure you subscribe to the Car Throttle YouTube channel over here and check out Carly in the description below, where you can use discount code CARTHROTTLE for 20% off. To everyone again, good luck.
Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye.